Welcome to Tech Research. If you have iPhone and you want change how to change liquid glass effects, it's very easy and simple process for your iPhone. How to do it? Let's start on my iPhone. First of all, I just simply show it to you my liquid glass effect like this. And if you want to change this effects, it's very easy. Just simply enter here the setting section, then appearance, here the option. Inside the appearance here, liquid glass features is available. If you tap here, this liquid glass effect is like more tinted. If you tap here and change this one, so look at this here, some of the effects is automatically changed. If you can see the proper in this particular screen in the search bar menu. So look at this here like this. If you select here in this arrow cursor, so like a more clear feature is showing here like this, more clear. If you change here like little bit and go back here, so still more and more tinted option is showing here. So two option is showing, more clear and more tinted. Which features you like or which effect you like, accordingly you should decide. My personal opinion, you can set here more tinted. We can use something new because of this feature. iPhone are introducing new one. So previously we are using more clear, but now if you install iOS 27, so definitely my recommendation, you should apply liquid glass effect is a more tinted. It's very easy to change liquid glass effect in your iPhone. If you have any question related on iPhone, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.